Hello, last time we have studied about the list, and there I learned some basic method like indexing and finding index of any such elements. Then I learn about how to slice it in a different portion. Then I also learn about how to add any element by append method. So let's learn about the extend method. What is extend method? Extend method is nothing else. It's a just addition of two lists within one list. Means you can say, means extending your first list to to the element of the second list. So that is extend. So if you have some particular kind of list, like we can see here, we have list here. Let's name it list 1. Then we have to another list, that is list 2. And we want to extend first list to the second list, to the element of the second list. List 1 is not defined. Let's run it. Now you got a updated list 1. There included list 2 elements within list 1. So we have extended our list 1 further to adding some elements of list 2, means whole elements. Then we will learn about the concatenation. Concatenation, as earlier in string we have learned about the concatenation is addition. Same operation we will do here, in concatenation as well. Before earlier we have done in extend method. So let's see, this is we have list and we want to add it to the list second. We got this. So here is no any updation is happening, but if we want to be added element in for a certain time, then we will do concatenation, and we will learn about the insert method. So we can also mm, add by append method in the last in the last portion, but we can also add by method insert method. So here there is a two portion. First one is index, whether I want to add, and another is whatever the value we want to store it. So already we have odd list and we want to add 3 at index 1. So let's uh, see odd list how it looks like right now. So 7, earlier we have in odd list there is 751 3, but we have added new element at index 1 3, then all other elements has been shifted to the right side. So that's how right now our index is looking right now. Then we can also delete some method by del. So if there is a no any pop method we have written here. Yeah, we have added. So if we want to delete, we have that mistake here. We have to fetch out for first of all fetch the element, and then we have to delete it. Then we will get answer here like this. So first of all we have to see what is the answer in odd list, how much element presented there. Then what we have hoped to got it, we are get same things here. And by fetching, and we can also here we are deleting on the basis of index. By the index method we have done it here, but we have to do by the method of delete by element. So we have to provide the element whatever the present in my list. So I think we have to first of all list out what is the element in my list. I hope so there is. So first of all we have to print out my list, run it my list, then we will get my list element of the list. Then we have to remove it, uh, p p element we want to remove from the list. So we have to write it my list dot remove, and then we have to write it element whichever I want to delete. Then we got mm, then we got a my list with the updated elements. So we have to write it like this. Okay, then we can also remove the element from the last by the pop method. So how it will works, so list, sorry, as you can see here we have deleted last element from the list. You can see here d we have removed. Earlier we have removed p, then we have left out now QRT. So we can also delete such a particular element to specify in a pop method. So how does it work? So let's see. As earlier we had seen in the remove method, we can also do here as well. So we have to decide it R. Sorry, we have to specify here index value. So we got element like this. If you don't specify anything, it will remove last element. They never consider any. We have some elements in a my list, so we have to write it whatever element we have. It might be confusion. So what would be the element present in the my list? So here we have written. So we can also use the count function to calculate the how many numbers, how many times some particular elements is repeating. And so let's see one by one. So write it here. List test. Let's one, two, three, three, six, and we have also some string element as well. So we have right now like this list, and we want to calculate the number of iteration of 3. So we hope so we'll get 3. Yeah, we have 3 right now, and we can also do the same operation. Oh, sorry, a string element as well. Here we got 2. Then we can also do the sorting of list. So let's we have right now list, and we want to sort it. Here we will get error just because of here is not present same type, same data type of element, but right now we got, so we have to do this operation. We will get sorted array. That's how we had expected, and we got it. Then we can clear the list as well by the clear method. If you want to make it blank, that list, so let's see how can we do. So we have like this, and we want to clear all elements in that list. So let's see how many element present in that list. There is a no element, we have cleared all the elements. And we can also reverse all element whatever the present right now. So how can we do? So first of all we have to run it, and then we have to type this reverse function, and we hope so expected reverse array, reverse element in the array, and we will got same things as we were expected. We have covered up hmm, all basic concepts of uh, list, and I hope so we will sooner will come with next data type, uh, derived data type, that is tuple, and there I can learn as well as all the things. So we have left out some method, that is len method. So how can I find length of any element, any list? So we have to write it len function, then it will give the answer of that list. Yeah, I got 9. Sorry for that, to making my own note at this moment, but it's necessary In the future I'll share this note for you all of them. And we have learned all the things how we have, and here some